weekend, I tend to get up later for a start, and I usually at 9, when my alarm goes off. Even my dog wake me up at same time. The first thing that I do is to take a shower in the morning, not at night. So how to shower quickly? The easiest way to shower quickly is to turn the water off while you lather up with soap, and only turn it on when you're ready to rinse. Repeat the process for shampoo and conditioner. Use both hands to lather in order to lather efficiently. Take a cold shower for an even speedier incentive. After shower, then brush my teeth. I always do the toothbrushing twice a day. In the morning and last thing at night. After then I have spent a few times a quicker shave. I bought the perfect hair dryer that dries my hair quickly, has multiple heat settings, including the all-important cool shot button, and is super easy to use. Then I have breakfast with my wife together. In the meantime, I have also feed the dog.
Honey, don't forget to take the dog for a walk.
Don't worry baby, I won't forget. Honey, I am taking the dog for a walk, would you like to come with us?
I can't, honey. I'm going to the supermarket. I have to do the shopping.
Okay, see you then. After a while, I back to wash my car. Almost half a day has been spent. My wife is whisking some eggs and this soup tastes good. We both cooking some foods for lunch. Few moments later, we're having lunch. Next, I'm washing the dishes and my wife is playing on her mobile phone. A bit later, my wife is mopping the floor. It's my job to make sure the floor are vacuumed really clean. It's a lot of work for one day, but I know it's important to help my wife do housework. I don't need my wife to ask for help. Because I made a chore list, which what else I should to do it in a day. Everybody can be done lots of things with DIY by each family. Tell me why in the comments, please. When you think about it, mowing lawns is one of the best paying jobs. Let's assume I charged $25 for the edging and mow to this yard, that equates to about $250 an hour. When I water the flowers, my wife is hanging out the clothes. Finally, the chore has finished, and then takes some rest. We've worked so hard today. My wife is sipping the hot tea slowly. I have to do some exercises outside, and you?
No, I'm afraid. I have to cook dinner.
After done with exercises and take a rest again, then we are having dinner at the moment. Sweetheart, now I am going to do the laundry. You can do whatever you like.